The underwater world has always called out to me, a mesmerizing realm I first experienced back in 2013. Since then, I've plunged into its depths a bunch of times, each dive deepening my love for the ocean. Becoming a PADI certified scuba diver has always been a dream, and now I'm finally making it happen. Good morning, everyone. Today is officially day one of my scuba open water diving certification. I am extremely excited to be here. Also a tad bit nervous, but I think that's normal. But anyway, I've just reached the place and I'm doing this course with Temple Adventures. So today's agenda is to basically get in the pool there and learn some skills. So I've already completed the e-learning, the theory bit of this course online. So I feel a bit prepared for this. But we're gonna get in the water now and do some practical lessons. So before we get into the water, we're gonna start out by picking out some equipment. But before that, let me introduce you to my instructor. This is Aishwari.
Hi.
So what's our plan for today?
So today we would be doing your equipment setup. So I'll teach you about what kind of equipment you would be using, how does it function, and all the details about it. And then we'll get in the water and do your confined sessions.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Also, this is Achyut, who is the photographer and videographer. So he's going to be helping me take some shots.
So the tank weight is 14.4 kg. So working pressure, we'll be using daily during a dive, that will be not more than 207 bar.
So far I've learned how to set up my kit. We took a quick lunch break, which in hindsight may not have been the best idea because I'm feeling a little full and sleepy now. But we're gonna get inside the water now. I'm gonna get my wetsuit and we're basically gonna learn some skills and do our confined dives. Good morning, everyone. Today is day 2 of my open water diving course, and today we're basically going to be doing my open water dives 1 and 2. So as part of this course, you're supposed to do 5 confined water dives, which is what I did yesterday in the pool, and 4 open water dives. So I'm going to be doing 2 today and 2 tomorrow. But these aren't really like fun dives in the sense that the whole point of all of these dives is so that you can learn skills that you can use in emergency situations. And basically the goal is to get comfortable with the equipment, being in the water, doing it all on your own. So today we're going to be repeating all the skills that I learned yesterday, but we're going to be doing it inside this quarry, which is such a cool location for this. So this quarry is 19 meters deep. I'm a little nervous honestly because this water looks like it's going to be cold and I've never been down to like 18 meters depth. This should be exciting. Let's see what this is like. This location is, I think, really cool. We drove down like 45 minutes from Pondicherry and we're in this quarry and it's so peaceful and nice here. So back in my room now, showered, napped. I was so exhausted after today that I really needed a nap. It's already 8 p.m. right now, but yeah, that nap was much needed. But today went quite well. We did my first and second open water dives, like I mentioned. The first one was really smooth and easy. We did like a bunch of different skills underwater. And then after that, I actually had to do a couple of tests. So the first test is a swimming test. So if you're doing your open water certification, you actually need to be a swimmer. So the test was basically for me to swim non-stop for 200 meters, and also there's a float test after that, so you're basically supposed to float on your back for like 10 minutes. And then we did a few more skills during my second open water dive. I kind of struggled initially with that because I was having trouble equalizing. So when you're diving, because you're going underwater, the pressure increases, so you're supposed to equalize, which is basically you hold your nose and blow into it, and that's basically to release pressure. because if you don't do that, your ears start hurting. So although I did equalize, I don't know what went wrong. So I struggled there a bit, but overall it went okay. My instructor was really nice, and he said that I did well, even though I struggled a little bit at the start of my second dive. But to be honest, I still don't feel very comfortable with all the equipment. I mean, I've learned everything that I have to do. I guess that just comes with time and practice. But tomorrow we're going to be doing open water dives 3 and 4, and after that I'll be certified. I think I also have an exam to take. But anyway, heading out for dinner now. Hello everyone, so today is day 3 and the final day of my open water diving course. I still have 2 more days over here in Pondicherry because I'm doing another course as well. I'll tell you more about that later, but basically today we're going to be taking a small boat, the one behind this, I think that one, and heading into the ocean and doing my next 2 dives. So basically my open water dives 3 and 4. So the third dive is again going to be skills that I've learned which I have to perform underwater, but the fourth dive is going to be a fun dive, so I'm really excited for that one. And yeah, I'm also kind of nervous. Even though I've done Discover Scuba dives, those are kind of different because you're not really doing anything. Someone's holding you underwater. Here I have to do everything on my own. So it's definitely like a fun challenge. So very excited for today. And after today, I'm going to officially be a PADI certified scuba diver. So extremely excited about that. Back from our dives today, and today was so much fun. We went diving in the ocean and ended up seeing lots of fish. How did I do?
Yeah, you did pretty good. Better than your first dive. You picked it up nicely.
Nice. Yeah, so finally done. Officially certified. Not yet. I still have this like exam that I have to take. So there are like 25 questions. Pretty basic, but yeah, this feels really nice. I feel very accomplished and happy about this. Good morning everyone, it's a new day here at Temple Adventures. I'm officially a certified diver, so that is very exciting. I'm super happy about that because it's honestly been like on my bucket list for the longest time. But I'm not done over here, I'm actually doing another course as well. So the one I'm doing is called Enriched Air, and it's basically a specialty course. So what it does, without making it sound very complicated, is that normally when we go diving we use air cylinders which has 21% oxygen and 79% nitrogen. But if you do this course, you're actually eligible to take nitrox cylinders which has more oxygen. So what we're doing in this course is that this is a 2-day course. So today we're going to be doing the theory lessons and understanding what exactly nitrox is, what the benefits are, things like that. And tomorrow we'll be doing 2 more dives using nitrox cylinders, and after that I'll be nitrox certified as well. So yeah, let's get on with our day and do some learning. So I'm done with my lessons for today, and I also have to go through the e-learning bit. Basically there are like some 8-9 lessons that I have to go through and take like knowledge review test and an exam. But otherwise today is like kind of a chill day, and I think it's good because yesterday I did 2 dives, the day before that I did 2 dives, and tomorrow I have to do 2 more dives. So it's nice to have a rest day in between. But I finally got my certification today. I'll leave a card here. This is what it looks like, and yeah, I'm extremely excited because honestly this is something that I've been wanting to do for the longest time. The first ever dive I did, it was obviously a Discover Scuba dive, but it was back in 2014, which is like 9 years ago. And since then I've done like 4 or 5 more Discover Scuba dives around the world. I've dived in Lakshadweep, Andamans, Gili when I went to Bali, and the Maldives. So it's high time I got this certification. Honestly, the reason I didn't do it for all this time is because my brother and I made a pact that we'll do it together. We almost did it in 2019. We had a trip planned to Jordan and Egypt where we were planning to do it, but I had to cancel that trip, and since then our schedules have just never aligned. So I'm kind of having to break the pact and do this now, because next week I'm going on this really exciting trip for which I want to be certified. So yeah, it's happening now. When I told my brother, he was just like, you don't have my permission to do this, but yeah, I need to do this before my next trip, so it's happening now. But I can't believe I'm certified. I'm so excited for it. Good morning everyone. It's my last day here in Pondicherry with Temple Adventures and I can't believe how quickly the last few days flew by. So today I have 2 more dives left to be a certified nitrox diver and we're going to be diving here in this quarry. This one is much bigger than the quarry I went to the other day. This is I think 35 meters deep, so it's deeper as well. I'm only allowed to go up to 18 meters as an open water diver, so today we're going to be diving up to like that depth. And yeah, I'm really excited for today's dive and I can really tell that over the last few days, like each day my confidence handling all the equipment and going underwater has increased, so that's a good sign. So let's see what today's dives are like. So I'm done with both my dives and officially a nitrox certified diver. Super exciting. I still have some paperwork to do and an exam to take. But today's 2 dives were really fun. Even though we couldn't really see much underwater, we had to carry torches and there was like this really steep wall, so we were swimming along that. But overall this actually felt really easy. I don't know why I was nervous. I was able to like manage completely fine underwater, so very happy and impressed with myself. So meet Riaz, my instructor. Hi. How was I underwater today?
Yeah, it was good. It was like buoyancy and trim and everything was pretty much good. And yeah, there is a lot of things to work on.
What do I have to work on?
It's there, like a lot of things to work on. So keep on diving, so things will improve.
Okay, but good otherwise.
But it's so good, far. Yeah, it's good. It's good for like 6 dive. How much is that?
6 dive, yeah.
It's good for 6 dive.
Awesome.
Pretty nice.
Thank you so much. So I'm finally done with both my open water and nitrox courses and this feels really good. Honestly, it's been on my bucket list, like I said, for the longest time. So to finally do it feels amazing. I feel very like accomplished and happy about myself, and I had such an amazing experience with Temple Adventures. I can't recommend them enough. If you're looking to do your certification, definitely check them out. They have amazing facilities. The instructors I had were so good and I'm actually going to miss this place. I don't know how 5 days flew by. I feel like now that I'm certified, the way I'm going to be traveling going forward is going to change. I'm going to do more diving trips and yeah, I'm very excited for what's ahead. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time. Bye.